Let's go and check it out to see if they've got hello. We've got any garlic butter? We've got all kinds of stuff in here, guys. So we're after garlic butter. It's usually in the very back. Problem getting garlic butter. Oh well, it is what it is. Lots of frozen, guys. All kinds of frozen stuff. Cereal eaters, there's quite a variety of cereal, different pastas, sauces. We've got all kinds of stuff in here. Wine, chocolate bars. Thank you. Okay guys, so that was Bellcrust, I should say. There you go. Hello. Welcome to Dumaguete, guys. Dumaguete, Philippines. Down at the boulevard, guys. Looks like we've got lots of stuff happening down here, guys. Wow, great. These guys are, I forget what this name is of this sport. Good to see them out and enjoying. I know what this one is over here, volleyball. Lots of vendors out, guys. All kinds of vendors out. And you have the Bethel Guest House. Straight ahead, guys, the blue building. Shared in a video before, my first time coming here. That was where I actually stayed for a few nights. You've got the port straight ahead, guys. That's where you'll catch your ferries, ocean jet, fast craft, ro-ros. I haven't gone on a ro-ro in this area. I went over to Cebu Land for the ro-ro. So I don't know if ro-ro goes out of here or not, guys. And I'm gonna need to go down there and check the scheduling and that, and new costs for ocean jet and fast jet. So we're gonna go there now, go for a walk. there you go, guys. Bethel Guest House. And there you go. There's a series bus, and you can see the sign where they're going. Angori. Likely saying that wrong. The restaurant's not the greatest there, guys. Go down to the other restaurants, lots of options. There's your Bethel Guest House, guys. And I stayed up top where I got an ocean view, guys. Bethel Guest House, guys. And you have Starbucks right beside it if you like that type of coffee or drink. You go down just a little bit to the right. You've got the WHYNOT down there, guys. WHYNOT. So you have a dance bar on the right-hand side, and on the left-hand side you have a restaurant. And came in here and ate quite a bit. So it's a great place for you guys to check out. And you can see it's just a few minutes down from Bethel, the guest house. So there's the WHYNOT. So as I mentioned to you, on one side you end up having dancing and bar, but on the other side you end up having a restaurant to eat. So let's go in and have something to eat, guys. There's your sports bar, guys. Game On Sports Bar with all the foreigners in there. That's where they hang out, guys. Over there, Game On Sports Bar, guys. You can see the foreigners are in there. They're all in there enjoying. So if you're looking to have something to drink, no thank you. So if you're looking to have something to drink and you want to interact with some expats, there's a place for you to go, guys. The Seafront, Dumaguete Seafront Hotel, guys. So that's another place that you could check out if you're going to Dumaguete. Never been in there, but you could check that out. But I have been down here to Tom Tom's Coffee. This is a big hangout, and Bo's Coffee too, but Tom Tom's more of a hangout, guys. You'll usually find foreigners in there having a coffee. And actually their coffee's not bad. And then you have Bo's Coffee right beside it. Right. And right across from it, just to give you an idea, you have the Dumaguete Philippines sign. Welcome to Dumaguete, guys. Dumaguete, Philippines. The fort right there, guys. So I give you a really good understanding where it is. So there you go. You have Tom and Tom's Coffee. You have Bo's Coffee. And just down there you have Bethel, the guest house. And this here too, the Bricks Hotel, a lot of people stay there too, foreigners. So I haven't checked that place out, but that's another place for you to check out. There's the WHYNOT. So as I mentioned to you, on one side you end up having dancing and bar, but on the other side you end up having a restaurant to eat. So let's go in and have something to eat, guys. Remember Silliman University? And this is Silliman. So you're just gonna go, if you're down at Bethel Guest House or the WHYNOT, you're just gonna walk up to the university and turn left. And only, it's only maybe 500 feet, not even 500 feet, I guess. You're gonna find Bellcrest. already see it coming up on the left. Right there, guys. So it looks like it's open. So we'll go in and check it out, guys. And I need to see if they've got garlic butter, guys. Let's go and check it out to see if they've got hello. They've got any garlic butter? They've got all kinds of stuff in here, guys. So we're after garlic butter. It's usually in the very back. I don't see any garlic butter, guys. No garlic butter. Seem to have problems getting garlic butter. Oh well, it is what it is. Lots of frozen, guys. All kinds of frozen stuff. And if on any use cereal eaters, there's quite a variety of cereal, different pastas, sauces. We've got all kinds of stuff in here. Wine. Chocolate bars. Thank you. Okay, guys, so that was Bellcrust, I should say. There you go. Hello. Casablanca is another restaurant for you to check out. Lots of people rave. I went in there, I found everything was really salty, guys, but maybe it was just that day. But go check out Casablanca, guys. Another option for you to, if you're looking for a place to eat. So there's all kinds of different places that you can try along Rizal Boulevard. The Sisters of St. Paul and the Archers, guys.
We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
Nightlife in Dumaguete, guys. Totally looks different. Once it gets dark and it gets busy. You can see them out here practicing doing the cutters, guys. Get some good activity. started.
Sweet joy, where did you go?
Guest house. Beautiful morning, guys. I hope you're enjoying wherever you are in the world. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I have lots of videos to share with you with my journey going around the Philippines. Bye for now. Have a great day.